Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, June 21st, 2019. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. Today we will be updating the chart of the Nike. This is a short-term chart here, 15 minutes. We can see right here that the stock has continued to extend higher now. So far we have a 3 waves up from this low here. As you can see, this rally to $84 is labeled as wave 1, and then it pulls back as a flat A B 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a regular flat, ended at $82 in the 100% extension right here in the blue box, and from there it has started to resume higher. Now if you all remember, we did have a previous chart of the Nike, right? Let me see if I can find it right here. Yeah, so this one right here, you can see that we have this video from June 11. Back then we are looking for the Nike to finish this A, and then looking for a sort of a 3 pullback here to stay above 76.9 and then extend higher again, right? And then since then we provided a couple of updates to our members. We tweaked the count a little bit. Okay, we changed the labels here, this AP and this W, but you can see right here the idea is still the same though, that as far as the pullback stays above 76.9, we're looking for more upside. And right here, this chart here is June 16, last week, right? June 16, and this is the weekend update. We're looking for the Nike to complete this correction, the wave 2 here, as a double correction WXY towards 82.181, right? And then today, the latest one here, okay, the latest one, you can see it did finish this pullback in the same blue box area, 82.09, 81, which is based on the weekend chart right here. Right, it found buyers there and holds above 76.9, and then now has extended higher and then break above this previous peak in the wave 1. All right, so it has resumed the next leg to the upside as expected here. If I look at the larger degree time frame here, the 4-hour chart, we can see right here that this leg here looks to be impulsive, and that's where you got this wave 1 from. Okay, so you got this wave 1 right here, and this is your wave 2, and then now we have resumed the next leg higher. Now if this is 1 2 3, then the 3 can be potentially extending to 1.618. okay, but at least even if you assume it is an APC, at least we can reach the 100% extension, which is going to be 89.3, which is kind of retesting the high in April, right? Now again, so far this rally is a 3 wave so far. It did resume higher, but so far it's 3 waves. We are looking for one more leg higher to finish what looks like a diagonal. Okay, then after that, as far as the pullback stays above last week's, no, actually it's this week's low. All right, as far as the pullback stays above this week's low, 82, it can continue to see more upside. Okay, so what can be the alternate? Well, the alternate is, let's say if it doesn't go higher, instead starts to pull back like this, then this new high above this could be part of a flat. So we could have you know, an expanded flat A B and then C leg as a 5 waves down like this before it rally, you know, before the rally resumes again. So flat, normally we don't forecast a flat unless it happens, because we don't want to forecast a flat, especially if it is against the trend. Okay, so we got a bullish sequence here, high, so no reason for you or for us to forecast a flat. So flat will happen if it happens, but no need to forecast it against the trend, because probability wise it's gonna be a lower probability when we think something like that. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for Nike to keep extending higher. If we can have a 5 ways up, I think that will be even better. That means, okay, well, we got a 5 ways up. That suggests that we can see further upside if it can stay above $82, right? Now another option is going to be doing one more leg higher, but then after that maybe to around 86.5, but then after that that will complete the 5 ways up here, and then another alternate is doing some sort of ABC with a truncated C, so the C leg does not reach 100%. Alright, so as far as you can see a 5 waves up, technically that can be counted as a C if we are going to have an ABC type of correction, right? And then after that it can start to pull back like this if if it is turning bearish for some reasons. All right, so those are a couple of alternate views that you want to consider now. But looking at the overall market right now, some of the indices, by the way, like the Dow already broke above the April and May high. So again, that really favors the idea that we can see further upside right now in the market. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is going to be provided in the description of the video in the YouTube. And until then, I wish you all have a good weekend and see you all again next week.